Welcome to Watch Chat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. I stumbled upon this watch and can't help myself but want to talk about it. Well, let's chat. This is the ST-800-2ZG. It is a Seagull. If you're not familiar with Seagull watches, please bear with me with the short history lesson here. In 1955, pursuant to an order of the Chinese government, there was an initiative to begin a watchmaking industry in the north of China, where a handful of people in a small workshop managed to create a few simple handmade watches. 3 years later, the Seagull Watch Group was established in Tianjin, China. Seagull is now the biggest industrial watch and movement producer in China. The ST-800-2ZG is powered by the Tianjin ST-8000 caliber movement, which has a similar design with the Blancpain Flying Carousel type tourbillon. What is peculiar with this movement is that there is an off-centered hands display. It is an automatic movement and can be hand-wound. The watch has 27 jewels with the coaxial tourbillon visible at the 6 o'clock. The watch has a 42 hours power reserve and a 50-meter water resistance. The dial on this watch is interesting. It has an off-white wave dial that also has a pattern that resembles a sun ray that radiates from the Seagull's logo. Over time, the dial changes color as seen here. There is no seconds hand on this watch. The numerals on this watch are like those you see in a Franck Muller watch. The watch is approximately 40mm in diameter and 13mm thick. There is a curve-shaped sapphire crystal on it. The entire case and lugs are polished finish, where the shape of the case and crowns look a little like the Zenith Pilot Type 20 watch as seen here, where the crown is shaped like an onion. To view that video, I'll put a link in the description below. This watch comes with a leather strap with a pin buckle. It also has an open case back that has a sapphire crystal on it. This watch costs more than a Rolex Datejust and is retailed at 54,930 ringgit. And that is because this watch, my friend, is made out of 18 karat gold and is limited to only 100 pieces worldwide. The watch and box look old, and that's because they are. A little wipe, a little polish, and service will bring its shine back. This is probably a collector's item for the very privileged connoisseur. Some people, and I really do mean some, wear watches as a jewelry to impress or have them as a status symbol, which is perfectly fine if you can afford it. So, if you can afford it, alright, let's make it hypothetical then. Which do you think will impress others more? A Rolex Datejust or a Seagull that costs as much as a Rolex Datejust and an Oyster Perpetual together? Forgetting what value retention is, the Seagull is 18 karat gold, a tourbillon and a conversation starter piece. I think it's more impressive to own this Seagull not because it is a Seagull, but because you can afford a Rolex but choose not to. If only you can see me wink here. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to support me, and I really appreciate it and promise to upload more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.